The future of the dollar and the possibility of it being replaced by a digital coin or cryptocurrency is a topic of ongoing debate and speculation. While cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and others have gained popularity and interest, it is important to note that the dollar remains the world's dominant reserve currency and a widely accepted medium of exchange. Central banks, including the Federal Reserve in the United States, have been exploring the potential benefits and risks of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. CBDCs are digital representations of a country's fiat currency, issued and regulated by the central bank. Some countries, such as China, have already begun piloting their own CBDCs. While the adoption of digital currencies could bring certain advantages, such as faster and more efficient transactions, increased financial inclusion, and potential cost savings, there are also concerns regarding privacy, cybersecurity, and the potential impact on monetary policy. It is still uncertain whether digital currencies will eventually replace the dollar or other traditional fiat currencies. Many regulatory, technological, and economic factors would need to be considered, and any transition would likely occur gradually over an extended period. Monetary authorities and governments will continue to monitor and evaluate the role and impact of digital currencies in the future.